Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on turning Dolby Atmos on or off on Xiaomi phones. If you find this video helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. Start by opening the Settings app. If the Settings app isn't on your home screen, you can get to it via the app drawer. In Settings, tap Sound and Vibration. Scroll down and select Sound Effects. Here you can enable or disable Dolby Atmos effects. When it is enabled, you can change the preset and graphic equaliser settings. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful, and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Xiaomi and MIUI tips and tricks.